This section of video is about how to do your data analysis. As always, you're going to paste a graph over here, and you're going to write about your graph over here. Here's the difference. You're doing this 3 times. Yes, 3 times. This is your level 1 graph. The next slide is for level 2, and the slide after that is for level 3. So you're doing it 3 times. Since you're putting up 3 graphs, you only have to write 1 whis and whim for each graph. Summarize what the graph shows, then describe what you notice, and what you think it means about the interaction between predator and prey. About the interaction between predator and prey. You're really looking for the interaction and answering your question about how the predator population relates to the prey population. That's the big question. And you're going to do 3 graphs with a whis and a whim and a summary on each. Enjoy.